So I've realized that a lot of people have been misplacing their phone of late, and usually they are unable to track their phone. So they have no choice but to buy a new one. But what if I told you this good news? So there are three ways of tracking your phone in case it get missing or stolen, God forbid. But the first one is your SIM card that you use. You can go to your network provider and you make a claim that your phone is missing and they will help you track it down. That's the first point. And also, the second method that you can use is by logging into your Google and Apple account on your laptop and tracking to see the last location of the missing item, your missing phone. That's how you can also find your stolen or your missing phone. But this won't also work if the person decides to flash your phone. And the first one will also work if the person, I mean, the thief is not dumb. He would, you by all means throw your SIM card away. So when you buy a new one. So the two methods won't work if these two things happens. But the third one is when you, as soon as you buy your phone, just make sure you dial this code on your screen, or whilst you are still using your phone, make sure you dial this code on your screen. Yes, so this code is used to find the IMEI number, and every phone has this number, and it is different from every phone. It's unique. Every phone has a different IMEI number, and this means the International Mobile Equipment Identity. So you can use this number for a couple of things. One is when you can just dial imei.info to, and you input this number to find out details of your phone. You can use this number to blacklist your phone. You can use it to track your phone. You can use it to lock your phone. You can use it to find out the warranty on your phone. There's a lot of things you can use this number for. So just make sure you have this number with you always in case your phone gets stolen or misplaced. I mean, you can still try, you can download a software, a tracking software, then you can just play around it. You can download a tracking software, input this number that I've just told you, the code is right on your screen, input it on maybe someone's phone, then try and track your phone to see how it works. So just play around it. So in case your phone get missing, you can just know how to find it. So I hope this video was quite useful. I go by the name Kinlord Ehud. Catch you on the next episode. I'm out.